Hi, you two. Hi, sweeties.
Hi. Hi. Hi, girls. Hi, girls. Yeah?
Yeah? Hi, Gwen. Hi, Murmur. Gwen, can you go back over by Marley? And come back this way? No. Come here. You silly. You silly. Come here. Yeah. Hi. Hi, Munchkin. All right. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.